The next control statement is if then statement. So if then statement takes in a condition, that means if the condition is true, then execute something. Okay, execute some instruction. Okay, that means here the computer checks for a condition, whether the condition is true or not. Let me give an example. If you get a first rank, I will give you a chocolate, for example. That is the example here. If you get a chocolate, then I will give you if you get first rank, then I will give you a chocolate. That means here the condition is you should get a first rank, then I will give you a chocolate. Okay, so the same case, if the condition is true, then execute something, some instruction. Let us take a look at the syntax. The syntax is like this: if condition, then statement. Okay, that means if this condition, whatever the condition we write here, if this condition is true, okay, then whatever the statement we execute here will be executed. Whatever the statement we enter here will be executed or will be implemented. Okay, so that is about if then statement. Now let us take a look at an example, a simple program. If you see here in this program you can see we are using a new keyword which is input. So input is a keyword which takes some value from the user. Okay, and you can see here input followed by a string, yes or no, because this is within the quotation marks and these are individual characters. Okay, group of characters are called as strings. So we are asking the user, do you want to print the numbers 1 to 5? Okay, and we use the input keyword. ఇప్పుడు యూజర్ అడిగినప్పుడు, like if you want to print the numbers from 1 to 5, the user will type either yes or no. అవునా కదా? Okay, because we are asking the user a question whether you want to print 1 to 5 the numbers. The user will either say yes or no. Okay, so we are storing that user's choice in the variable y dollar పెట్టాము ఇక్కడ. Okay, we used the variable y followed by dollar. That means we are taking some string data. Okay, we are taking some string data. That is the reason why I used the string variable y dollar. If y dollar or the string variable equal to yes, we are checking the condition here. If this condition is true, then do this. Okay, similarly, if this condition is true, we are implementing all the other statements. Okay, at the end we'll put the end statement. When the computer gets to this line, the program is closed. Now let us take a look at the example, the same example. So first I'm asking the user whether they want to print the numbers 1 to 5. Okay, I'm using the keyword input here. Okay, input, and ask the user, do you want to print the numbers from 1 to 5? And now the user either chooses yes or a no, and we should store that information in a variable, in a string variable. So let us give choice. I'm giving the name of the variable as choice because my variable is a string variable. I should put the dollar sign. Now let us use the concept of if then. Okay, now if choice equals, let us think the user entered yes. Okay, then what I should do? Then I should print the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose let us say the user typed no, then what we want to do? We should just end the program. I'll simply type end. Okay, now let us run the program and see the output. Give it some time to load. Okay, it is asking, do you want to print the numbers from 1 to 5? Let me enter yes. Now if I press the enter key, it gave me the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what happens if I press no or any other thing? Let me run the program again and press any other option other than yes. Now let me type no. You can see that it gave me nothing. The program is ended. Okay, so the if then statement is used if you want to check for a condition, and if that condition is true, then we do the statement. Okay, here we are checking for a condition based on the user's choice. If the user gave yes, then we want to print the numbers 1 to 5. Okay, just like the example that I told you earlier, if you get a first rank, only then I will give you a chocolate. Okay, similarly, if the user goes with the choice yes, only then I will print my numbers. Okay, so this is about the if then statement.